Hello guys, welcome to this video that we are going to solve the first question of vector. This question says that in the figure below, E is the midpoint of BC. E is the midpoint of B and C. AC to DC is in the ratio of 3:2. So that means AD is 3, DC is 2 here. Very good. And F is the midpoint, F is the point of intersection of BD and AE. So F is this point here. Very good. So first question says that given that AB is vector B, so that AB is vector B, which is going to that direction. Okay, don't forget the direction, because the direction determines the sign of that vector. And AC is vector C, so A to C. Okay, A to C is vector C. Express AE and BD in terms of A and C. Okay, so we are going to express AE and BD in the first step. So let us say solution here. Okay, very good. Then first question says that express AE. Okay, so we are going to express AE. So AE is AE, A to E, we can get in two ways. Either we can get AB to BE, or we can follow other route, which is AC to CE. Okay, so let us take to that AB to BE. Okay, so let us take to that route, which is AB plus BE. Very good. So our AB is vector B we have in here. Okay, and it's positive because we are going to the direction, the same way to that direction. Okay, so we have vector B plus BE. So BE is a half of BC because E is the midpoint of BC. Okay, so we don't know the value of BC, so we have to find what is BC again. So BC is BA plus AC. Okay, so BC is BA plus AC. BA plus AC. So what's BA? BA is vector B, which is negative vector B, because we are opposing the direction. Direction is going to AB, but if we are opposing the direction, we have to make the vector, we have to make that vector negative. So it will be negative vector B plus AC, which is positive vector C. Very good. So we got the value of B and C. So we substitute in that place. So we have vector B plus a half into bracket vector negative B plus vector C. So in here we have vector B minus a half of vector B, because it's in a minus here. We have minus here there. Okay, then plus a half of vector C. So what's 1 minus a half? Because this B is just like 1. So we have positive a half vector B plus a half vector C. So this value is our AE. Okay, so we got the value of AE. In the second question is, in the second part here, which is B to D. So we have to express BD as well. Okay, so we have to express B D. So what's BD here? B to D, we can get two ways as well here. So B to D is BA plus A to D, or B to D still can be BC plus CD. Okay, both is okay. So let us take this other way, this root here, BA plus AD. So let us take that root, BA plus AD. Very simple. Then what's our BA? Our BA is vector negative B plus AD here. What's our AD? This AD should be 3 over total ratio. The total ratio is 3 plus 2, which is 5. So it will be 3 over 5 of AC, okay? Of AC. So our AC is vector C here. Very good. So in this part will be 3 over 5 of vector C. Very simple. This one also we have done. So the first part is done here. This part is done. So we are going to solve the second part of this equation. This second part always very complicated. You have to understand it very clearly because it's a bit different from this first part. But still, we are going to use the values of this first part. So if you get this one wrong, that means you will get also this other part wrong because they are very connected. So let us try to solve the second part of this equation. The second part of this equation says that given further that BF is equal to TBD. So BF is equal to TBD. So that's one part, okay? There is other part here, which is AF is equal to SAE. So small s AE. So this other part is small s A. No, I mean, sorry for this. This other part is AF is equal to small s A E. Very good. So what's the question? Given that BF is equal to TBD and AF is equal to SAE, find the values of S and T. So we have to find these values, the value of this T, small t, and the value of that small s from this equation. So we created two equations here. So that means BF is equal to T into bracket. What's our BD? Our BD is here, okay? So our BD is negative B plus negative vector B plus 3 over 5 vector C, okay? So this one is our BD. So again, this F is equal to S into bracket. What's our AE? We have our AE here. So our AE is a half B plus a half vector C. Okay, this is our AE as well. So these two are two different equations. So we cannot solve two unknown equations which are different. So that means we have to take either of this one to convert to the other one. What do I mean that? Let us use this BF to both equations. So let us say this BF should be solved from this equation as well. So how that? BF, we have BF here. We should get another BF, another way that we can get BF by passing this AF, okay? By passing the root of AF. Let us go back to our diagram here. BF by passing which one? By passing AF, yes. So BF should be BA plus AF. Can you see? We passed AF. So we cannot say BF is equal to BE plus E, not that way. Okay? So we have to pass the root of AF. So BA is equal to BA plus AF. Okay, BF is equal to BA plus AF. So from here, BF is equal to, another way, is equal to what? BA plus AF. Very good. So what's our BA? Our BA is vector negative B. Why vector negative B? Because we see that this is AB is vector B and we oppose the direction. So BA will be negative vector B. Very clear. Plus AF. So we have our AF here. Our AF is S into bracket plus B vector B plus a half of vector C. Okay? So this equation, because we know that our BF is here. Very good. So this is very clear. So from here, we can say that BF is equal to BF because it's same. This BF and this BF can be equated. So we have to equate these two equations to get the values, to get the unknown values. So the first BA is T into bracket. Okay, let us open. Oh no, we don't need to open the bracket. So is vector negative vector B plus 3 over 5 vector C. Okay, then close the bracket, is equal to this other BF, okay, which is negative vector B plus S into bracket a half of vector B plus a half of vector C. We have equated the two equations. Very, very simple. Okay, then from here, we can open the bracket. Let us open the bracket. This one times this one will give us what? Negative T vector B plus 3 over 5 T vector C is equal to negative B plus a half S vector B plus a half S vector C. Okay, very simple. So from here we have negative vector B, okay, plus 3 over 5 T vector C should equal to, here we have this common one, okay, vector, this vector B is common. So if we take that vector B to be common, we have negative 1 plus a half of S, then vector B plus a half of S vector C. Okay, very simple. So we know that, let us make this one to leg term. We know we have this vector B and we have this vector B. So let us equate those two vector B's. So we have negative T vector B should be equal to, into bracket, negative 1 plus a half S into bracket vector B. So this part is there. The other part should be this vector C. So the part of vector C here should be equated to that other part of vector C. So we have a half, 3 over 5 T vector C should be equal to a half S vector C. Okay, very clear. So that means we can cancel that vector B with that vector B. Okay, so we have negative T should be equal to negative 1 plus 1 over 2 S. The other one also can be cancelled with this vector C and that vector C. Okay, this vector C cancelled with that other vector C, we have 3 over 5 t should be equal to what? 2 over, 1 over 2s. Then let us make the s subject. Okay, let us make this s subject. Time is 2 here, time is 2 here. To make the s subject, 2 will be cancelled. So our s is 6 over 5t should be equal to what? S. Okay, so we made that s to be subject. So we can substitute the value of s in this s here. So we have negative t equal to -1 plus a half into bracket 6 over 5 t. Okay, the value of s. So open the bracket here. So we have negative t should be -1. Then this 2 will be cancelled with that 6 and 3 will be remained there. So will be plus 3 over 5t. Okay, very clear. Then we can take this t to the other side and this one to the other side. So we have 1 should be equal to 3 over 5t plus t. So 1 is equal to, the addition of this is 8 over 5t. That means our t is equal to what? Because we have to say by 5 over 8 here, by 5 over 8 to this side. Whatever you do in mathematics, whatever you do in that side, you must do in the other side. So we have t to be what? This 5 will be cancelled with that 5, 8 will be cancelled with this 8. So our t here is 5 over 8, which is our final answer of t. So if you go to this side, 6 over 5 into bracket, the value of t, which is 5 over 8, is equal to what? S. So by 5, 1, by 5, 1 here, by 2, 3, by 2, 4. So that means our S is equal to what? 3 over 4. This one is our final answer of S and T. So we'll do more questions about this vector. See you in the next video.